Imagine standing outside on a sunny day. The sunlight feels warm on your skin, but what if that same sunlight could power your home, charge your phone, and even run entire cities? Solar panels do exactly that. They transform sunlight directly into electricity without burning fuel, creating smoke, or producing noise. But how can a flat panel sitting on a rooftop turn sunlight into electrical power? Let's explore the fascinating science behind solar panels and discover how light becomes electricity. Chapter 1. What is solar energy? The sun is an enormous source of energy. Every second it releases tremendous amount of energy in the form of light and heat. When sunlight reaches Earth, it arrives as tiny packets of energy called photons. These photons travel nearly 150 million kilometers from the sun to the Earth in about 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Solar panels are specially designed to capture some of this incoming light energy and convert into electrical energy. Unlike fossil fuels, sunlight is continuously replenished on human timescales and produce no emissions while generating electricity. Chapter 2. What is inside a solar panel? A solar panel is made up of many smaller units called solar cells. Many solar cells are made from silicon, one of the most abundant elements in Earth's crust. Each solar cell contains two layers of silicon that have been treated differently. One layer has extra electrons, the other layer has spaces where electrons can move into. Where these layers meet, they form an electrical field. The electric field acts like one-way path that encourages electrons to move in a specific direction. This structure is foundation of how electricity is produced. Chapter 3. The photovoltaic effect. The process that allows solar panels to generate electricity is called photovoltaic effect. How it's work: when sunlight strikes a solar cell, photon transfer energy to electrons inside the silicon. Some electrons gain enough energy to break free from their atoms. The electric field inside the solar cell immediately pushes these free electrons in one direction. As millions of electrons move together, they create an electric current. This current is known as direct current or DC electricity. No moving parts are involved, no fuel is burned. The electricity is generated directly from sunlight interacting with the solar cell. Chapter 4. From DC to the AC electricity. Most homes use alternating current or AC electricity while solar panels produce DC electricity to make the electricity usable. The power flows into a device called an inverter. The inverter converts DC electricity into AC electricity. Once converted, the electricity can power lights, televisions, refrigerator, computer fan, and many other household appliances. The solar system generates more electricity than the house is using at that moment. The excess energy can either be stored in batteries or where local regulations and infrastructure allow send it to the electrical grid. Chapter 5. Why solar panels work better in some conditions. Many people believe solar panels only work on very hot days. This is a common misconception. Solar panels depend primarily on sunlight, not heat. They can still generate electricity on cloudy days because clouds allow some sunlight to pass through, although the amount of electricity produced is usually lower than on a clear day. Interestingly, solar panels often perform more effectively in cool sunny weather than in extremely high temperatures because excessive heat can slightly reduce the efficiency of the solar cell. Chapter 6. Advantages and Challenges. Solar energy offers many important benefits. It generates electricity without burning fossil fuels. It produces no direct air pollution during operation. It has low operating and maintenance requirements. It can reduce electricity cost over time. It can provide power to remote areas where traditional electric grids are unavailable. However, there are also challenges. Electricity production depends on available sunlight. Solar panels generate less power at night. Initial installation cost can be significant. Energy storage systems such as batteries increase overall system costs. Dust, snow, leaves, or shading from trees and buildings can reduce performance if panels are not kept reasonably clear. Engineers continue to improve solar technology to make systems more efficient, durable, and affordable. So here is the conclusion. Solar panels demonstrate one of the science's more elegant ideas, converting sunlight directly into electricity. Every ray of sunlight carries energy through the photovoltaic effect. Solar cells capture the energy, set electrons in motion, generate electricity that can power homes, businesses, and communities. As solar technology continues to advance, it is becoming an increasingly important part of the global energy mix, helping provide electricity from a renewable source. The next time you see solar panels on a rooftop or in large solar farm, you will know the remarkable science happening inside every single cell. If you enjoyed learning how solar panels generate electricity, do not forget to like this video, subscribe for more science and technology content, and share with someone who is curious about how world works. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.